Students, today I'll discuss with you about the Baisakhi. Today is a Baisakhi day, very important day, not in Punjab but in the larger parts of India, in eastern India, in southern India, in western India, and in northern India. It is celebrated in different ways. So, no doubt, it is having a unique importance in Punjab. It's ritually a spring harvest festival. Baisakhi is also the beginning of a new solar year as per the Hindu calendar. It is celebrated according to the local traditions across the country. It is also a thanksgiving ceremony for the abundant produce of the land. As a river civilization, most Indians believe that River Ganga, venerated as a goddess, descended on earth on the day of Baisakhi. A larger fair is held at Haridwar, presently in Uttarakhand, where the lakhs of pilgrims took the bath and a dip, donating to the charitable causes. For the Sikhs, Baisakhi is significant historically. In 1699, on 29th March, the 10th Guru of the Sikhs, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, laid the foundation of the Khalsa Panth, which is the order of the pure ones, and raised the Sikh warriors to defend religious freedom. He brought the new concept of the Sant Sipahi. The word Khalsa, according to the different historians, had two meanings. One, Khalas means pure, and second, it is during the time of the Mughals, particularly the Akbar, there were four kinds of lands, and one of them was crown land or Khalsa land, which was directly under the crown. It had two meanings, according to the different historians. This is the reason why this day is also known as the Khalsa Sirjana Divas. The main festival is held at Talwandi Sabo district, Bathinda, because 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, spent 9 months over there. Then it is also celebrated the great pomp and show at Anandpur Sahib, where the Keshgarh Takht is there, one of the historical religious place of the Sikhs. This festival is celebrated generally either on April 13th or 14th. According to the Khalsa Samvat, ever since the inception of the Khalsa, which is a 1st Baisakh 1756 Bikrami, the traditional New Year is celebrated on Baisakhi. Farmers celebrated Avat Pauni, which is a traditional Punjabi gathering of the peasants and farm workers to harvest crops collectively. Drums are played while they work. At the end of the day, everybody sings dhol or folk poems to the tunes of the drum. According to some scholars, then that they had a bumper harvest. They take some intoxicant, that is bhang, and from the bhang, the word bhangra originated, and bhangra is a very popular folk song, folk dance of Punjab. So the people participating in the Avat Pauni ritual are given meals 3 times a day. The guests are served traditional Punjabi food such as shakkar, ghee, kada, kheer, semia, yogurt, and milk. Baisakhi is also a key milestone in the nation's fight for independence. when common people were assembled and they were massacred on the 13th April 1919 at Jallianwala Bagh on the Baisakhi day in Amritsar. Acting Brigadier General Renal Dyer ordered troops of the British Indian Army to open fire into the crowd, and which resulted into the large number of innocent, unprovoked killing of the people. Across northern India, the days observed as the harvest festival, where farmers harvest their rabi crop and seek divine blessing for abundant crop the next session. Fairs are organized and traditional gatherings happen with people participating in cultural performances. Baisakhi celebrated differently in the different states. Vishu is celebrated in Kerala on the first day of the Malayali month called Medam. It is notable for its solemnity and general lack of pompous show that characterizes other festivals like Onam. This is the time for the golden blossoms of the Indian laborers. Kani, Kona, and rituals involve placing coins before the Lord Vishnu and celebrating the session's best crop. Children wear new clothes and eat a special meal called sadhya, which is a mix of salty, sweet, sour, and bitter items. People also visit temples on this day. Bohag Bihu or Rangoli Bihu marks the beginning of Assam in New Year. It is celebrated for 7 days. The three primary types of Bihu are Rangoli Bihu, Kongali Bihu, and Bhogali Bihu. Panna Sankranti, also known as Mahavishnu Sankranti, marks the Odia New Year in Odisha. Celebration includes various types of folk and classical dances such as Shiva related to Chahu dance. People hang neem branches in front of their houses, hoping their healing will be kept and the diseases will go away. They prepare a liquid mixture of jaggery, mango, pippa, and other ingredients, which is called panna. As earthen pot with a small hole and a grass bed is dangled about a tulsi plant. The pot is filled with the water daily, which is acts as a drip to protect the sacred plant from the summer heat. The Bengali New Year is celebrated as Poli Baisakhi, or the first day of the Bengali calendar. Apart from deliciously made of the fresh harvest of rice, business open their new accounts, ledgers of the year called the Bahi Khatas. People celebrated with the new clothes, feasting, and cultural performance. Puthandu, also known as Utharvarunsh or the Tamil New Year, is the first day of the month Chitrani on the Tamil calendar. Households clean up the environs, prepare a tray with the fruits, flowers, and auspicious items, light up the puja altar, and visit their local temples. People wear new clothes, and youngsters visit elders to seek their blessings. In the Mithali region of Bihar, the New Year is celebrated as Jur Sital. Traditionally, Sattu is served on the lotus These provided meal derived from the grains of red gram, chaw, and other ingredients to the family members. So this is how the traditional Baisakhi is celebrated in the different parts of the country. And happy Baisakhi to everyone. Thank you.